What's going on there, YouTube? It's your boy Jordan back with another video, and today we're going to be tackling changing the fuel door emblem on my Hellcat. Because as you know, I bought this thing used, and well, as you see here, there's some, I don't know what we call this, just some peeling and everything. So I went online and I've ordered a replacement badge that we're going to put in its place. But it turns out that I do not have all the proper tools to do the job. So we're going to head on down to Harbor Freight Tools, see if they have any plastic pry tools or something that can help us get the job done. So with that said, I'll see you when we get there. Alright, so I'm back home, and unfortunately I was not able to find any plastic pry tools. I went to Harbor Freight, I went to Lowe's, I went to Home Depot, went to O'Reilly's, and nobody had the very small set plastic pry tools. But what I did pick up was a set of mini pick and hook tools, as well as some very small, tiny flathead screwdrivers that I'll probably use to pry that piece off. But in order to protect the fuel door itself from damage, I picked up some automotive water resistant tape. So this is actually some tape that actually has some foam padding to it. So what I'll do with the masking tape, I'll tape this around the fuel door, and that'll be my leverage point. That way I can get the piece up, but without damaging the full fuel door itself. So with that said, let's do this. Okay, so the first thing I want to find out is which of these is probably going to be the most successful at getting underneath that section. That's close. Let's see here. So I'm going to do this without. I might be able to. Yeah, I can get a little lip under there. Let's check out the flathead screwdrivers. I mean, that thing's thin. Oh yeah, that'll be perfect. Okay, so how about we do this? Never used this tape before. Hopefully the stuff doesn't leave a residue, but I have a feeling that it will. So how about we fold this over, okay, and hopefully that keeps it from binding the adhesive for it to the actual fuel door itself. Right there. Give us a good piece of tape. Since this one piece wants to come up, we are going to take this. I need to get this as close. So I'm going to end up putting it right on the edge. We need to see what we can do here. Let's see if we can do this here. I need to bring this just a little closer. And I actually have it kind of overlapping it just a little bit. Nope, I did damage the fuel door. It's not, I hate it when I mess up. See? All right. All right, it's off, people. Just rub off that glue. I'll probably have to go get my eraser again, just to be sure. We're just going to use this eraser just to get some of that adhesive off. Now during the process of getting the original one off, I did scratch the underpiece a little, but I'm not too worried about it. Alright, so this is the new fuel door emblem. Oops, I need to get that rotated around. So pretty cool looking. We'll have to figure out how to get this thing lined up correctly. Alright, job is done. That thing just, like I said, it just looks great in the sunlight. Alright everybody, well that is a wrap. If you like this video, be sure to give me a thumbs up, leave a comment below. As always, be sure to smash that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you'll be alerted on all of my future videos. So I'm Jordan with the Hellcat Car Channel. Have a great rest of your day everybody.